BlueScope's a steelmaker and steel solutions provider. Here in Australia, we've got a number of manufacturing plants. We've also got manufacturing plants in New Zealand, US, China, Asia, and joint ventures in India. We're key to Australian industry. The Port Kembla plant where we are today, it's the largest manufacturing plant in the country. We've been making steel here for close to 100 years. In recent years, we've introduced the new digital technologies in how we actually try and manage some of the assets. With our manufacturing business, there's two key parts to that: process intelligence and asset intelligence. With the asset intelligence, it's more about using the technologies to change from being in a reactive maintenance arrangement to proactive. But where we are now with introducing the new technologies of predictive maintenance with the generative AI capabilities, we really see that as being a way that we can change how we manage our assets across the business.
So Senseye is our digital tool for all things predictive maintenance. We started with a pilot here at the metal coating lines in Spring Hill. Since then, we've rolled it out to regions across the globe as well. What it meant for us is reviewing and really getting a feel for what we know about our asset health. By feeding all of that data into the Senseye predictive maintenance tool, we now have a better idea around the health of our assets.
We started with a pilot project that ran for around 12 months. We realised success after the first 7 months. So the main benefit of predictive maintenance is seeing machine failure coming and being able to intervene before you experience a catastrophic failure or loss in production.
If we stop the line, we obviously create scrap and we create waste. And at this part of the plant, it means that we've spent that energy all the way from the raw materials part of the business through the iron making, steel making, rolling, and then we scrap the steel. That's not good for energy efficiency, and therefore it's not good for greenhouse gas emissions.
Since our predictive maintenance journey started back in 2022, we've avoided downtime across multiple sites and multiple business units using the Senseye tool. I'm quite proud to work for this company. I've always lived in this area and I probably always will. I want to see this steelworks survive for the next generation to take over and thrive with. And leading the digital transformation in that area is going to give us the best chance of doing that.